Stern Coffee, thumbs up.
Okay, I understand. You're giving me a thumbs up and saying Stone Coffee. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Dr. Mad, okay, Gemini have it, it's SSSS time.
Okay, I understand. You're saying, Dr. Mad, okay, Gemini have it, it's SSSS time. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Well, I suppose I could slash P into the other thing, but I didn't want to move the screen, you know?
Okay, I understand. You know you could slash P into the other thing, but you didn't want to move the screen.
Yeah, that's right.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Well, I don't know. You could teach the world what slash P and Ping into the rule means, but I don't think they can handle it. You know, one handle to another.
Okay, I understand. You're saying they can handle it, one hand to another. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Well, I don't know. Could find out what,
Okay, you'd like to find out what something is. What is it that you're looking for?
Oh, just a second. I hear a ding.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
I know, the timing is perfect though, so here, let's go. Yeah.